Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friend, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set print area in Excel for PDF. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here some data to this spreadsheet. Now we want to set the print area for PDF. At first, select the data, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the page layout menu, select the print area drop down menu and select set print area, then go to the file menu, click print option. Now we can see here showing the print area data. Now I am click the printer drop down menu, choose Microsoft print to PDF option. Now I am select the print option, then click choose our file location, then write my file name, then select the save option, then wait some moment to saving the file and opening the file on PDF. Then go to our file location and we can see here the PDF. Now click right button and open the file, any software or browser. Now I am click open with option and select Google Chrome. Now we can see we make this very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.